Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's crochet the little flower in 5 minutes. Any kind of yarn you have and suitable hook for the yarn. First make a circle and chain 2. Next to double crochet in the circle and chain 1. We take the 2 chains as 1 stitch, so this 3 stitches and 1 chain is 1 group. Next 3 double crochet and 1 chain, repeat 4 times, at last there are 5 groups. The first round be finished, straighten the tail. First slip to the top of the first chain stitch, close the circle. Next slip to next stitch. Next in the space between groups, 6 double stitches. The space is where the chain is of the first round. We get the first petal. Next skip 1 stitch, slip through the middle of the 3 double crochet. Next 6 double crochet in next space. Repeat to finish the second round, 5 petals in total. The third round is bordering or slip stitches. Now middle of 2 petals. Watch the video to find the exact place where to slip. It's the space between the first and the second double crochet of every 3 double crochet of the first round. Next slip through the first stitch of next petal. Repeat to finish all the round. All slip stitches, repeat. Hide the tail as you like. Now we get the flower. Thanks for watching. More videos coming soon. See you.